much. So this is biological. I'm not able to exactly say this ABC center in Ulhasnagar is one. How much is the capacity? How much have you utilized? What is the problem you are facing? Is it a manpower problem? Is it an infrastructure problem? What steps are required? So this corporation and the government, for each of them, I can do this exercise. It saves the time and it is constructive in that manner. So that's my suggestion. Now let's come to the second part, because there are three parts to your Lordship's order. Removal of stray animals from SH. SH is State Highway NH. 499 stray cattle from so and so and 35 stray cattle from so and so have been removed from the road and shifted to Gaushala. 2691 stray cattle removed from roads and shifted to Gaushala. This is the information available. On the right side, I'll put my suggestion. It is humbly submitted that the affidavit does not appear to fully capture the steps taken for prevention of ingress of cattle on state/NH and the removal of cattle from so and so. It may be appropriate if state identifies stretches of highways which are vulnerable to stray animals, and the problems are looked into adequately addressed by removing the stray cattle to the shelter. The data regarding availability of shelters is not available. So, if you have a stray animal but you don't have, there's no point in they will not be able to remove the animal to the shelter. So that data is not there. So that is again something which I'll have to actually sit with them and figure it out. The connect between NHAI authorities, PW authorities and Animal Husbandry Department is important to ensure that the stray cattle detected on SH and NH are removed. Because NHAI will know which are the stretches. They will have to tie up with the Animal Husbandry Department of the state government, who will say, all right, if you find a stray cattle, please take it to ABC place or we will come and take it. That is the connect which is missing in Maharashtra's affidavit or most affidavits. Last part, sorry, and I'll conclude with this. Removal of stray dogs from institutional areas. Affidavit from page 142 onwards give details regarding removal of stray dogs from various institutional areas. In medical institutions, in all government medical colleges, there were 269 dogs, out of which 98 have been removed. In dental colleges, 8 dogs have been removed. In higher education department, there were 715 stray dogs, but number of dogs shifted to institutional area has not been mentioned. For technical institutions, there were 115 stray dogs, out of which 351 have been shifted to shelter. Insofar as sports department is concerned, is mentioned at page 169 of the affidavit, there are 312 dogs in the institutional area and 6 have been shifted to dog shelters. The affidavit further mentioned that in the school education department, primary, it has been stated that there are 1,62,342 dogs, out of which only 16,000 have been removed to permanent shelter. Now, my suggestion on the right, the state has made an effort in locating the stray dog population in various educational institutions and government medical colleges, including dental hospitals. The population of stray dogs seem to be huge, running into more than 1 lakh. Perhaps due to lack of adequate resources for keeping the stray dogs after sterilization and vaccination, it may be that the authorities are not in a position to remove the stray dog. In this view of the matter, it is humbly suggested that the state government may consider setting up of dog pounds and dog shelters in all municipal corporations and large municipal councils, so that stray dogs from medical colleges, hospitals, educational institutions can be permanently kept thereafter after due sterilization and vaccination. So this is common to all the states. Well, I don't want to pinpoint any state, and some affidavits are very disappointing, but I don't want to get comment upon it. Is to take it further. Deal with that, huh? Yes, so we have to take it further in this. So these are the 3 problem areas which we need to address. I can sit with them, I can have an interaction with them, whatever your lordships feel proper for me to do, I'm willing to do that, so that we can move forward on this. These are my submissions.
Yes.
Sir,
Yes. What's your good name?
my name is Vandana Jain. I filed a modification application first 300156. I would give you a little brief about myself. I actually filed a High Court petition in August 2023 in Indore city, where 55,000 people were bitten by dogs. And I initiated this matter in the court, although I am a dog lover, but I'm also a human lover. And I'm really concerned about the citizens getting victimized due to dog bite. But I have a solution. And that's why I went to the court. I explained everything to the judges. I got the final order in March 2025, which was strict implementation of ABC rules. Unfortunately, from March 2025 till today, nothing has been done by Madhya Pradesh government. Sir, nothing. And I'm a common citizen. I dropped my career to work on this problem. I have researched for 8 years. And if you allow me 5 minutes, I'll give you the complete...
You have your 5 minutes.
Thank you so much.
By the watch. Huh?
Thank you so much. Sir, there are 2 problems. And we have to identify the 2 problems and work on the 2 problems in 2 different ways. Our problem number 1 is dog population. till the time we don't know the total number of dogs in a city, we cannot identify how many sterilization centers do we need, how many catchers do we need, how many vans do we need, how many doctors do we need. So I have gone through the report our dear Amicus has submitted. And when I was going through the report, in a very common layman language, I will say कि इस खिचड़ी के अंदर सब कुछ है पर दाल भी नहीं है और चावल भी नहीं है. वो दाल और चावल है sir, dog population and public awareness. We cannot control the dog population till we know the number of dogs, and we cannot control the dog bite till we make everyone aware about the basic behavior of the animal. If we people who are coming here in the courtroom, if we are dog lovers, then you have to also understand that why dog is not biting us. We have been practicing kindness towards them. And if this little bit of kindness is being practiced by each and every citizen across the country, just 2 minutes on the street as a civic duty, and they provide food or water or vaccination, we can make it a public moment. And this problem cannot get solved till we make public a part of this campaign. Every citizen has to do little bit of their duty. And right now, if I ask in this courtroom, what is the dog sterilization phone number in Delhi? Half the people will not know it. So this should be a 3-digit phone number. People should be taught what is the meaning of dog sterilization. People don't even know what is Kutta Nasbandi. So unless we don't educate the public about the importance of sterilization, we cannot get out of the problem. And this is a casing example that 2 dogs, if they are kept in a room and given regular food and water, they multiply and come out after 6 years to the number of 67,000 dogs. So what is going on? Why we are not able to control the dog population is because वो उधर पैदा कर रहे हैं और इधर हम मार रहे हैं. Indirectly, we are making a cruel society. Indirectly, every street is becoming a butcher, street. And the only way we can turn around India, making it a kind country, bringing back the culture and the tradition, is only by making people involved in this Pashu Seva. This is not the subject that has to be dealt only by animal lovers. Animal lovers are also the citizens of India. They are duty bound and they understand as what they are supposed to do to serve Mother India. If we educate people, we can solve dog bite. If we count dog population, we can control dog population. And my out of the way plead is that if we actually look into the idea of putting some extra luxury tax on foreign breed of dog, we can encourage Indian citizens to adopt Indie dogs in their households. If we encourage farmers to put dogs into the FEMFAL, we can control the jungli जानवरों से फसल की नष्ट जो होता है, and we can encourage GDP. So we have to scatter the dogs in a kind and compassionate manner, sir. And my modification application, which was filed on 18th November 2025, I already predicted and I wrote on my modification application in November that the order dated 7th November 2025 is going to only increase dog bite. I said that in November. I'm here, Your Lordship, with the RTIs. This RTI is 1st January 2026. In Indore, the dog bite has increased by 8% after they have implemented 7th November. E of the court order on the case number 7th November, we are only increasing dog bites, sir.
What's your IA number? Modification application number?
218476.
218476.
And modification number is 300156.
300156.
Yes, sir. And I have one last prayer, sir, here, that I filed one more IA, which is 3085 of 2026. To transfer, which is going on right now in Madhya Pradesh High Court to
At
this.
Indore.
Yes. So that is 3085. So I'm requesting the courts to transfer that case, which is case number 15275.
It must be mentioned in that application.
Yes, sir.
Very well.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
So can I take only 2 minutes? My lord, I have a suggestion, my lord, small suggestion. My lord, when we say animal lovers, my lord, animal includes all animals and not just dogs.
Correct.
My lord, everything is centering around dog lovers as animal lovers. My lord, whether I want to keep a dog in my house or not, or any animal in my house or not, has to be my discretion. Going slightly further, Lord, whether dogs should be roaming around in my gated community. Lord, there is a resident welfare association. For example, our children are playing, Lord, in the garden, they're playing on the streets of a gated colony, and there are dogs. Lord, it would be essentially for that small community, the way I decide as my individual house, they will decide. The problem is, Lord, suppose in a given case where 90% of the parents or the residents feel it would be disastrous or it would be hazardous for our children, and 10% are insisting that no, dogs will remain here. Now somebody brings buffaloes tomorrow. It's not, my lord, a hypothetical example, my lord. Somebody may say that I am also an equal animal lover. Why are you confining your definition of animal to only dogs? I want to have buffalo milk, I want to have cow milk, and there may be, my lord, a difficulty, my lord, to other members. So, my lord, the suggestion is, let there be, my lord, some provision under which that gated community of the resident welfare association, Lord, decide by way of votes that what majority decides. Ultimately, when we are staying in a democratic setup of a resident welfare association, which is a registered association, then the decision will have to be based on majority, not based on individualistic sympathetic considerations. Well, that's the solution.
Your Lordships, being a victim, can I address?
Yes.
Your Lordships, first of all, I represent one person who is an 80-year-old individual. My intervention was allowed.
Your good name?
I'm Purti Gupta. And I represent Mr. Sanat Zariwala, who has also been added in the case status as a petitioner now. Now, Your Lordships, what is critical?
What is your IA number?
My IA number is 190908 of 2025.
All right.
Your Lordships, I had also filed my detailed written submissions. Now to address Your Lordships, first of all, I just want to hand across this compilation of latest newspaper reportings, which are after 7th November and till date, till yesterday it covers. Now, Your Lordships, what I want to bring forth is that there are a series of and there are a lot of dog lovers who are representing. It is not that we are against dogs. But what is critical, Your Lordships, is that there is a concept of stray dogs. We have to ultimately see.
Can you
that
put your hand down, please?
Please to keep it. Now, Your Lordships, first of all, what has to be seen is that dog menace and public safety. If we see that a person is walking on the street, a person is not aware whether he'll be bitten at the next moment by a dog. With 6.2 crore population of dogs, the situation is going out of control. We want to be a rabies-free world. We are a signatory to the World Health Organization.
So all that is all right. We don't want any.
Yes.
We want any suggestions that you have, you tell us.
Your Lordships, what I'm principally urging, then in
Yes.
form of suggestions, that
Otherwise, everyone is conscious
Yes.
of the problem.
yes,
Yes.
my suggestion, Your Lordships, is first of all, the animal birth control rules needs to be amended
Right.
because they are contrary to the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act. They are expanding the domain. What has occurred is that the animal birth control rules are dealing with the issues which are going against what the law was enacted by the parliament. So that is one thing which has to be taken care of. Second issue, Your Lordships, what has to be considered is that the order has to be expanded. The 7th November order needs to be expanded further to cover the public parks also, where there are a lot of dogs. Then, Your Lordships, also the gated communities,
Yes.
where there are stray dogs. Because we are finding that there are a lot of stray dogs in gated communities, in proper places. Then, Your Lordships, third issue, the the dog lovers who are raising the issue, they are saying that, okay, there are so many rabies medicines and everything is there. But nobody is talking about the cold chain which has to be maintained. There has to be a temperature of 2 to 8 degree, roughly, which has to be maintained. So, Your Lordships, with that particular situation, whether all these NGOs are going to take the warranties and liabilities, whether they are going to create a fund, whether there is an insurance which they are going to build in at the current scenario. Because ultimately, Your Lordship, there are silent deaths which are happening. There are silent sufferings which are happening. And these sufferings, the situation is going out of
All
control.
right, all right.
Your Lordships, a few suggestions which I want to bring forth. And those suggestions, inter alia,